YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back this week with Hayward's Wanda the Whale. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. We're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys and show you guys how to repair all the little bits and pieces inside this cleaner. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Wanda the Whale. This is an above ground pool cleaner. Do not suggest putting this in a in-ground pool unless you've got a very small play pool, maybe a few feet deep. This would do the trick, but otherwise I definitely would recommend this only for an above ground pool. So for today's quick fix video, I'm going to flip the cleaner over and we are going to start taking this thing apart from the outside in, and I'm going to show you guys how to get access as well as how to swap out the actual throat insert on the cleaner itself. So the throat insert on these is meant to help funnel that debris up through that main section on the bottom, which you guys can see here, just this main orifice right here in the center. So they do have different sizes of those different throats based off of the different debris that you have. So in this case, it just comes with the most standard one. So if you're dealing with much larger debris, you may have the opportunity just to remove it. So then that way you guys can actually get the cleaner to suck up that debris. Otherwise, I would highly suggest making sure that you guys net those things out before you run the cleaner to make sure that the cleaner doesn't get jammed up. Because as you'll see in some of the future videos that we'll do, you'll actually see the operation in here with the turbine and actually see that those things can actually stop the functionality of the cleaner. So what you're focused on is, as you flip it over, and goes my tail, set that off. Is you're looking at these 3 screws right here on the top. So there's actually 3 screws located. It's just a Phillips head screw right here. You've got 1, 2, and 3. Those 3 things are going to get removed to allow you guys to get access in there to that actual throat piece. And I'll take that out and show you guys. So give me 1 second. Pre-loosened them, make it a little easier so you guys don't see me struggling. It's a brand new unit here to show you guys some quick fixes. So obviously in your case, you may need to use a drill to remove these screws just based off of how old the cleaner is. So once you guys get all 3 of those out, you'll see that this actual plate will pull out. You do need to make sure that regardless of having a insert for the throat in there or not, you do need to have this plate on. It does help hold other parts to the cleaner itself, so you do want to make sure that this is still assembled. Again, check out the links in the description for you guys. We'll have all of these parts available that we talk about in this entire playlist for this cleaner available directly on our website with a full breakdown, numbers, easy to find for you guys. So here's the actual plate, and then here's the, here's the throat insert. So obviously you guys can tell just off the throat insert that it's not going to take very large debris. So if you guys are dealing with any kind of bigger bean pods or any kinds of palm fronds or just bigger leaves in general, you're gonna end up with a clogged cleaner very quickly. So this is only gonna funnel so much. So it's meant for smaller debris, dirt, rock, you know, those little pieces. Obviously not rocks. You don't want rocks in your cleaner. As we dive in later, you guys will see that there's just a plastic turbine. So in the case that you guys will need to remove this, you guys can remove it. Maybe there's just something stuck right here. You guys can pull that out. Otherwise, it will allow you guys to get a little bit bigger of an orifice here. But again, making sure that when you guys are actually going to suck up that bigger debris, that it can cause issues further deep into the cleaner. So just be wary when you guys are doing that on how you want to tackle that debris, whether it's to get it out before you run the cleaner or to take your chances with the cleaner. So just want to show you guys how to get access to that. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have more videos where we dive in, take this thing completely apart for you guys so you can see all those quick fixes. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.